Alright, I was talking to some of you guys on Total last night, and I'm from New Hampshire, and I was telling you we were supposed to get 1 to 3 feet of snow, and man, look at all the snow. And I don't think my Earnhardt Jeep's going to the Hampshire Motor Speedway anytime soon. This thing is like buried. It's like all kinds of stuff. You got bulldozers out here and gonna have fun digging out of this today. The snowbanks are almost all the way to the top of the street sign. This is what it's like living in New Hampshire. This is what we have to deal with up here. This is why we're crazy when we go camping at the race.